Hi guys, today I am recording after market hours, so I can sort of give you a little perspective on what happened and what is expected. But before that, let me also mention tomorrow's Thursday. We will attempt to do the markets and nonsense episode. We haven't been able to do it for the last 2 weeks because 1 week, if you've seen my posts, I was in Dubai 2 weeks ago. And then last week, Chavan was traveling because of work to Hyderabad. And so we ended up missing 2 episodes. We are hoping to get it done tomorrow. So tomorrow 2 p.m. we should be on live. Now, what did markets do today? You had the Nifty going higher. You had Bank Nifty pull back a bit. Now, do remember Bank Nifty was the leader of this rally. And as we get closer and closer to the end of this move, it's possible that banking also becomes the first one to peak out. But the Nifty might continue to stretch because other sectors are now participating. And that rotation will continue to fuel momentum at the index level. So therefore, we shouldn't be in too much of a hurry of calling the next stop. In any case, you need a 5-wave advance to complete one impulsive rally. And we are still not able to count that in the Nifty. Probably it was the 4th wave pullback for Bank Nifty. But the Nifty itself, I think the first hurdle where everybody will be questioning this rally is going to be the 61.8% retracement mark of the entire fall, which this time is coinciding with the weekly band. So it's at around 24,600 approximately. That is going to be the fighting level at which, bulls and bears will have a little bit of struggle. But looking at the setup, I am optimistic that we might try to even get past that. Let's see how it really happens. If we don't, then it's simply rotation that will keep the index there or get it to consolidate over some time at those levels. But that's the first important hurdle. And that's where we'll try to get some more answers about how far this can really go. So with that, like I said, don't look at only one sector index to take a view on the market. It is now become broad-based. The breadth has been pretty good, and the index could stretch based on participation from different segments. But eventually, every rally has to reach its end point, then it has to consolidate, then it has to move again. But we are just not there yet. So that's the main point. The other is on things like gold, which got a lot of attention, hitting the 1 lakh rupee mark. In dollar terms, which is where I study it, the spot gold, I do see some consolidation before it makes its next move. So next few days, you might just see it do that. But there's potentially one more final leg left there before we get any meaningful pullback. So that is what I think when I look at the precious metal. But overall, the falling dollar has not really driven all commodities higher. So far, it has been all about gold. Let's see if that also becomes broad-based.